and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. Robin and I have already done our weekly shopping at Bel Air. As you know, I did a bunch of produce shopping yesterday at the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market in La Superior. Yesterday was very fruitful, no pun intended. Didn't buy any fruit. Today, actually, I didn't cook last night. Robin and I did a fend for ourselves. I had a really big lunch and took care of a bunch of leftovers. No cooking last night. Today, I'm doing a Mexican food. All right, get that out right. Green chili pork burritos with my homemade green enchilada sauce to go in it and on top of it. So you can call it burritos, enchiladas. It's going to be yummy. These are dishes I've done before, but as you know, Robin loves Mexican food, and I love preparing it. And to go with it, we'll be able to snack on this for a few days, a Mexican coleslaw with cilantro and lime dressing. Yes, I got a thumbs up from the other side of the room. So let's get to it. Got some basic hardware. For the green sauce, there's 3 different peppers, and some of these peppers came from the farmer's market, and one came from La Superior. The tomatillos came from La Superior. There's chicken stock and chili powder. There's cumin, salt, pepper, and there's cilantro. For the burritos themselves, I've got some nice pork loin here going on. There'll be garlic and cumin and kosher salt, black pepper, and coriander and smoked paprika from the local spicery, some red onion, shredded cheese, of course tortillas. And for the slaw, I'm actually using the broccoli slaw. They call it broccoli crunch here instead of cabbage. There's cilantro, red onion, red bell pepper, of course there's lime juice, some olive oil, and some red wine vinegar. Lots of fresh goodies going on here. So, on this Sunday, what are you doing for Sunday dinner? You know what we're doing. So, it's supposed to be a little cooler, we hope. It was nice out this morning when Robert and I did our shopping. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.